Look down at your hand. Each square centimeter of skin you see is estimated to have around 1,500 living bacteria on it. Bacteria are all around us, unseen but essential to plant and animal life. They produce vitamins, protect the body, and perform many other functions that keep us alive. But how did tiny unicellular organisms perform these enormous tasks?
As it turns out, teamwork. Communities of bacteria use chemical signaling to talk to each other and synchronize their behavior in a phenomenon known as quorum sensing. Quorum sensing allows bacteria to regulate their gene expression in accordance with population density. For example, the A. vibrio fischeri is a marine-dwelling bacteria with bioluminescent properties. Some A. vibrio fischeri live in symbiosis with the adorable Hawaiian bobtail squid. Within the squid's light organs, the A. vibrio fischeri have synthase proteins to catalyze the production of signaling molecules called autoinducers. As bacteria population density increases, so does the amount of autoinducer. When the number of bacteria reaches a certain level, the autoinducer locks into the receptor, which tells proteins that regulate transcriptions to alter the gene expression and turn on luminescence.
So bacteria speak through chemicals, recognize those chemical words, and perform tasks that can only be executed when many bacteria participate.
While different types of bacteria have different quorum sensing mechanisms, they also create autoinducers that increase in concentration as a function of cell density, recognize these signaling molecules after they reach a certain threshold, and regulate gene transcription as a response, which results in various group behaviors. Each bacterial species has its own specific signaling molecule, like a secret language for private intraspecies communication. Most of the time, though, bacteria live in communities with all kinds of other bacteria. It has been discovered that bacteria aren't limited to interactions with their own species, but that they have a universal molecule for interspecies communication.
Bacteria don't always use quorum sensing to help out the bobtail squid, though. Pathogenic or disease-causing bacteria use it to control the expression of virulence factors.
Evil pathogens grow and use quorum sensing to recognize when there are enough to launch their virulence attack and overtake their host. Today, pathogenic bacteria are becoming resistant to antibiotics because killing pathogens with regular antibiotics selects for mutant bacteria. Quorum quenching is a way being developed to stop pathogenic bacteria by stopping quorum sensing. Quorum quenching overcomes the problem of resistance because it debilitates rather than kills pathogens. This is accomplished by inactivating their autoinducers by introducing imposter signaling molecules that block receptors.
Even though we can't talk to them, there's still a lot more to be learned about bacteria, the bad and the good.